These are all different shapes of alkanes. They all have different amount of numbers. Cyclopropane, three sides. Cyclobutane has 4 sides. Cyclopentane, 5.
Undo your hair.
And cyclohexane,
Take off
6.
the thing.
Each alkane has a different amount of bonds, which alkanes is a single bond, alkenes is a double bond, and alkynes is a triple bond. So these are different names.
This is methane. This is ethane. Propane. Butane. Pentane. Hexane. Heptane. Octane. Nonane. And decane.
There are 3 different kinds of branches. There's a methyl branch, which is just 1 branch. There's the ethyl branch, which is 2 branches, and there's a propyl branch, which is 3 branches. For example, we have a drawing example, and 1 ethyl, and that 1 ethyl is just a branch of an ethyl with 2 branches out, and 4 methyl, which is 4 branches of 1 branch going out. And we look at cyclohexane, so we look at the chart, the different cycloalkanes, and the closest to we see is cyclohexane. So we draw it. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get a hexane. Now we look at the ethyl, and we put 1 ethyl on whatever side we need to start counting on. So where do you want to start?
We would start it here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, so 1 ethyl. We have to put the ethyl branch right on the 1. Okay, so 4 methyl, which means we have to go all the way down to the 4 and make 1 branch. And that's it. Okay, so we are naming a cycloalkane. So we look at the shape and we look at a chart and we look what looks like it. So that will be cyclopentane, which is 5 sides. And as you can see, it has a propyl branch right here, and it's on the 1. And we look at number 3, and it has a methyl. So we look at this line that's right next to a between 1 and 2. So that is a...
This is a double bond. So we look at our chart, and it's a double bond. Alkenes.
Now we have to put it together, and what we got is 3 methyl, 1 propyl, cyclopentene. Alright, so I guess that was